Okay, well here we are with a lesson or instructions, or at least some hints and things on how to cut out a dull and uninteresting background and replace it with something that you can feel more sympathy with. Over here, you see I've got two photos loaded. The tree, the well-known tree, is there, and then there's the clouds at the top. We want to shift the tree to the top, and we can't do it while it's locked there. So what we're going to do is double click on the background, on the title there, and you see it's been changed with the suggestion of layer 0. We'll say OK to that. And now we can shift the layer of the tree up on top of the cloud. So we'll do that, like that, and there we have it. Now the first thing we're going to do is get so that we can actually see the picture, the whole picture. So we'll go to the right size. That's Command 0, takes it to this fit the size that fits. Now the first thing we're going to do is go to the quick selection tool, make sure it's selected to plus at the top here, and what we do is we're just going to hold the mouse, the left mouse button down, and just scroll it across the page here, and you can see that the marching ants are there, and you can see them around there and around there and around the grass here. What you can't see is there's no selection being made in here, that's part of the tree, or in here. I don't think there's none made in there, and there's none made in these little gaps down here. So we're going to have to do that, and we'll do it fairly simply, I hope. First thing we'll do is we'll press the delete key here. And there we are, we've got most of the sky there. In fact, you could probably get away with that, but we'll go better. We'll deselect, get rid of the marching ants, come up to select and choose deselect. And what I want to do is hide, or make it so we can't see the clouds, because we're going to choose in this area in here, and sometimes it spills over into the other bit that you don't want it to go to. So next thing, choose colour range, and you notice I've got it set to 50. That's about where I would say it should be. We'll just slide that off to one side, and we're going to go to this, make sure this is selected. It should come up with it being selected. Now we just click in there, and then we're going to go to the plus so that we add to the selection that we've already made. We can come in there and in there, and that'll probably do it. We'll have a go anyway. So we say OK to that, and there we are. We've got all those little areas, I hope, selected. And we'll push delete again. Done that. Get rid of the marching ants. So once again, it's select, deselect. And now we will bring in our full-size render picture here of the clouds just by clicking on there. And there they are. And that looks pretty damn good. I would leave it at that. And so it's that simple. You can change the colours, get more contrast and things, possibly to match the sky, but that's up to you to do that if you want to. In the meantime, I hope that helps.